Hi Drastic Cuties, Waiting here. Today we're going to draw a couch potato, so let's get started. To start this silly drawing, let's first start by drawing our potato. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve for the top of our potato's head. And then I'm just going to bring it down and kind of draw like a pear shape for this potato. And it's all up to you how you want to draw your potato. There's no wrong way to draw it. Just a cute, silly potato. So about right there, I'm gonna kind of bring it out a little bit towards the bottom. So it's kind of like a little pear shape. And then right here, I'm gonna round it off and bring it in. So pretty level on both sides. From there, I'm going to come to the center. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve. But because I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase, I'm going to come about in this area right here and draw his little legs. So I'm going to come right here, draw a little curve, and bring it in. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So pretty even, centered. So say about right there. I'm going to draw the same thing. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and finish my curve. It's going to be under the leg. It's going to come through and connect. From there, let's bring our cute potato to life. And I'm going to start right here in the center, the top, and just give him two little curves right at the top, just to make him extra cute. And then let's come to about in this area right here. I'm going to start to draw his eyes. So just come right here and draw a circle. Come to the other side, say about right here, and draw another circle. So I'm going to come in there and make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles for highlights, and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. Same thing over here. There, we have our eyes in. I'm going to come above each eye, about right here. Just draw a soft curve above each eye. And then in the center, about right here. Just draw a soft little curve, cap it off at this end, and then right in here in the center, I'm going to draw the straw. I'm having my potato here drink a cup of soda, so I'm just going to put a little straw right there, and say about right here, I'm going to draw my little soda cup. So my top of the lid, bring a slanted line down, just a very basic cup. And then I'm going to start to angle it in. And about right there, I'll stop because I need to draw little hands. So right here, I'm just going to draw a little curve holding our soda. But of course, you can add whatever you want to your potato, whatever you want him to hold. And let's finish this cup. So it's going to be coming out about right here. Let's give him a very big cup. He is a couch potato after all, right? So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. And right here, when you're coloring, you can add some cheeks for him. And but before I finish that, I'm going to come right here in the center and give our cup a little logo. Right here in the center, I'm going to add a little heart. There. A cup of love. Okay, so from there, the potato part is pretty much done, except when you're coloring it, just add a little spots here and there to make it look like a potato. And then other than that, let's come to the bottom right here and start to draw the couch. So right here, let's say about right here, I'm going to draw a curve. Just imagine this curve continuing and coming out. So it's going to be a little curve right here because our potato is very heavy. So, and then about right there, I'm going to come down with a line. Let's bring this down more. So I'm drawing the base of our couch right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. And about right here, I'm just going to add a little detail line. And then let's draw the arms of our couch. So this is going to continue right here. Same thing over here. So then right in this area, I'm going to imagine this being overlapped by our very chubby potato because he's squeezing himself in this couch. And about right there, I'm going to curve it out for our arms of our couch. Bring it in. And about right there, I'll bring this line down and finish the arms of our sofa. I mean our couch, not sofa. So same thing over here. I'm just going to drag a point across. So right there, about that high. And bring it around. So I'm going to come and bring this point across. Just an approximate, say about right here. Same thickness as the other side. And come in. So once again, bring down a line. And then in this area, just finish it off. There. And then, let's see here. Let's add some details right here. So in the center of this circle, we're going to draw a small circle. And then 4 little lines coming out of it, just to give our couch here some detail. So it's going to be the same thing over here. There. And then last thing is going to be the back of our couch. So come about right here. And I'm just going to round it off towards the back. Imagine it being coming through. And we're going to come right back down to there. About right here. So there, that is pretty much it for this silly couch potato drawing. And once again, when you're coloring it, just add some ovals and circles here and there to make it look like a potato skin. But that is pretty much it, and I hope this inspires you to draw it and have fun. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.